Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Intubating laryngeal mask airway. Intubating laryngeal mask airway is used for intubation also. It has a laryngeal mask airway and it also has a hollow tube through which we can also do intubation. So this intubating laryngeal mask airway can also be used. Laryngeal mask laryngeal mask airway intubation. Here there it has a laryngeal mask airway is present, and there is also an intubating tube. Because of this hollow, an intubating tube can be passed through it, and intubation can also be done through this laryngeal mask airway. So this is intubating laryngeal mask airway. It has an intubation in the middle. We can do intubation through it, and it is a laryngeal mask airway.
thank you and thank you for watching.